Hey, quick question. Have you ever been in a relationship where everything was great at first? Like butterflies, cute texts, good morning, babe, every single day? And then suddenly, one day you wake up and you're like, wait, why do we talk like coworkers now? Yeah, relationships don't die fast. They die slowly, one tiny behavior at a time. Today, I'm going to show you 5 subtle habits that quietly destroy relationships. And trust me, every couple has at least one of them. You know that moment when your partner's talking and you're listening, but actually your brain is just buffering? Like, yeah, totally. Wait, what did they say? This tiny I'm half here energy, it slowly teaches the other person, I'm not important. People don't leave because of one big fight. They leave because they feel invisible a little more every day. When every conversation becomes, I did the dishes last time. No, I did it. Actually, check the history. Monday, 6:42 p.m., that was me. Congratulations. You're no longer in a relationship. You're in the Olympics. Scorekeeping kills love because love isn't 50-50. Some days, it's 80-20. Some days, it's 40-60. Healthy couples don't count. They support. Ah, yes, the classic, everything's fine. Translation? Everything is absolutely not fine. Please read my mind. Avoiding tough conversations builds distance. Talking builds connection. Silence is the slowest way to break a relationship. People aren't mind readers. If you want something, just say it. You're dating a human, not a psychic octopus. Clear communication prevents resentment. Say what you feel before it becomes what you regret. Relationships die when small moments disappear. The hug from behind, the drive safe, the I'm proud of you, the random I thought about you today. Love needs tiny maintenance, not expensive gifts. If you're watching this and thinking, damn, I do some of these, relax, we all do. No one teaches us how to love perfectly. What matters is noticing the problem before the relationship turns cold. Small habits break love, and small habits rebuild it. If this helped you, even a little, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And share this with someone you love, not as an attack, but as a, hey, let's grow together.